A few things have changed since the last time we played our game. I have added a few predefined behaviors of Sensu to my main actor, namely reload scene on death, die in pit and reload scene, and I have also deactivated the cannot exit scene behavior. For this game, I have also extended the width of my scene and added a second enemy. In our previous video, we applied a simple actor behavior that killed our main actor when they collided with Siri, the enemy character, no matter where they crash into each other. Our second enemy does not yet have a behavior that kills our actor, so we will create a more advanced one for him. On your Sensu dashboard, go ahead and click on Actors Behaviors under Logic, and then click on the green Create New button in the right hand side of the screen. When your Create New dialog box shows up, go ahead and name your new behavior. I'm going to name my behavior Kill Me and I Kill You. Then go ahead and click on the Create button in the bottom right hand side of the screen. When you arrive at Design mode, click on the Add Event button and navigate to the Collision section and choose the Type and Type option. An event wrapper will appear and it will read, when an actor type hits an actor type, perform this code. Let's go ahead and click on that first actor type drop down and select the Choose Actor Type option and then select our main character. Next, let's click on the second actor type drop down and select the Choose Actor Type option and then select our enemy character. For me, it's the enemy Japu. Now let's apply the code that's going to be executed. Navigate to the Flow option inside of your Design palette, and underneath the Conditional section, left-click and drag the If block, the Otherwise If, and the Otherwise block to your event wrapper and stack them like you see here. Now select the collision category inside of our Design palette and let's drag the left side of code block to our code. Let's place this code block inside of the hexagon shape next to the word if. Then, click inside of the Scene category and select the Game Flow button. Inside of this area, we will drag the Reload and Fade Out code block to our code. The Reload and Fade Out code block basically allows us to apply a transition to our screen. How long will we fade out for, and how long will it take for us to fade back into our screen? Let's go ahead and apply some numerical values here inside of these white text boxes. Inside of these fields, let's type in the number 1 for reload and fade out, and then 1 for reload and fade in. We also have to adjust the green left side of code block that we see here. Right now it's applying towards actor 1. Let's change that to make it apply to our actor 2. Now let's apply similar code blocks to the Otherwise If section of this event wrapper. Click on Collision, but this time drag the right side of code block to our code block. And then we're going to go to the Screen category, click on Game Flow again, and drag the Reload and Fade Out code block to our code block, and adjust the following fields accordingly. Let's adjust the actor that's going to be hit to be in actor 2, and let's adjust the transitions for our reload and fade out scene to be in 1 second for fade out and fade in. For our Otherwise code block, we're going to drag a familiar friend here. Let's select the Actor option from our Design palette and then navigate towards Properties and drag the Kill Self block from the Live Dev section to our Otherwise code block. But this means that our first character will be killed. Let's go to the top of our event wrapper and select the second actor option and drag it to the self area, kind of like what we did before. Looking at our event wrapper, we have created a really interesting behavior for our game. It reads, when our main actor hits an enemy actor, If he hits him on the right hand side, if he hits him on the left hand side, basically kill that actor and reload the game. Otherwise, if the enemy is hit anywhere else, on the bottom or on the top, the enemy itself will be killed and not our main character. Now, all that's left is to click on the green Attach to Actor Type button and attach this behavior to our main character. Now, our newly created behavior, Kill Me and I Kill You, will appear in the actor's behavior screen. All that's left is for us to save our game and test it out. I have enabled debug drawing for emphasis of this demonstration. The first time we played the game, we demonstrated that with this simple Kill Me code block, no matter where we hit our enemy character Suri, our hero character would die. But our more advanced created behavior Kill Me and I Kill You allows me to isolate areas of collision with the enemy actor Japu. Hitting the left side and the right side of Japu kills the main character, but when the main character hits the top or anywhere else of Japu, Japu himself will die.